Understanding whether you'll be classified as a public charity or a private foundation is crucial. These classifications affect how you'll fundraise, operate, and comply with IRS regulations. Understanding these differences and keeping tabs on your public support is key. A public charity typically gets most of its funding from the general public or government agencies. Think of organizations like churches, hospitals, and schools. They're actively involved in charitable activities and often have diverse boards that reflect their communities. A private foundation usually gets its funding from a small number of sources and investment income. Control generally lies with a family, individual, or corporation. Private foundations focus more on granting money to other charities instead of running programs directly. They also have more strict rules to follow, like mandatory payouts and taxes on investment income. To stay classified as a public charity, most nonprofits must pass the IRS's public support test. This means at least 1/3 of its funding must come from public sources, like donations, government grants, or other public charities. To ensure diversity, donations from any one individual are capped at 1 to 2% of total support for the purpose of this calculation. Here's some good news. The IRS gives new nonprofits a 5-year grace period, during which they're automatically assumed to meet these requirements. This gives an organization time to get off the ground and build its donor base. Starting in year 6, the IRS reviews financial support on a rolling 5-year basis to make sure the requirements are met. If a nonprofit doesn't pass the public support test outside of the grace period, it could be reclassified as a private foundation. While this isn't the end of the world, it does mean stricter rules, more reporting, and less flexibility in how it operates. It also exposes you to a potentially greater tax liability. With a little planning, nonprofits can stay compliant, maintain the classification that works best for them, and continue making a positive impact in their communities.
Thanks for watching Kickin' It with Corinne. To learn more about our nonprofit accounting and business consulting services and watch new episodes when they're released, visit jmco.com/KWC. And don't forget to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel for the latest from James Moore.